Alright, here, I caught the Dodge doing what it was doing before. It doesn't usually do it. Listen. Hear that? And it's also making a noise under the hood. I know you can't see anything, but just listen. That sucking noise is coming right from under the intake. Hey man, what's going on? What? I got a booger? What the hell's wrong with this thing anyway? Oh my god, you dress like that? Okay. That door all done. Wanna check that out? Oh yeah, mine looks good. Yeah. The truck's running like kind of making like a sucking sound coming from somewhere under here or under here. I'm guessing it's like, it could be the distributor back there. But yeah, it just run really rough. Yeah, man, you know, yeah, it's like, I gotta go inside and check on the baby though if you want to keep looking at her or whatever. Yeah, man, it's fine. Here, give me. Alright. Well, I can hear what's going on up in here. Oh, there it is. And then it just stopped like that, huh? Huh. Now, you probably can't hear it on the video camcorder deal, whatever, but it don't purr, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't know, man. Well, what do you think I should do? Well, you want to, man, put it on the damn code reader. I mean, have you even done that yet or whatever? Well, hell, might be my first guess, man. Throw it up on there on the riders. Got my new hat, man? Hey, so you don't like my hat, whatever. Alright, well, yeah, I'm gonna run it down there. I'm gonna get on down there and get it done, man. Alright, yeah, take your time, I don't even care. I'm working on this toilet anyway. Yeah, no problem, man. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, see ya. Alright, man. Cylinder 8 misfire. That makes sense because it feels like it's misfiring all over the damn place. The hell does that matter? What about cylinder 8? Does that mean I replace one spark plug? Or like one spark plug wire? Or do I spend 60 bucks and get spark plugs and wires and a distributor cap? That's what you do. Doing that flipping truck like he's doing, you know. Might as well make it run good and get her all tuned up and ready for the next guy so that they don't have to do it themselves. This is how we wear seat belts in the country, man, right here. You got, you know, right there, just like that. Works a little better if you don't have that there, you know. Then at least, like when the cops drive by on this side over here, you know, it looks like you got your seatbelt on at least, you know. I never was much for wearing them. I'm gonna go take this code reader back in and go let Jeremy know what needs to be done, I guess. Alright, man. Well, take it easy.
Thanks, bud.
Thanks to O'Reilly's for letting me use that code reader, man. That really comes in handy.
Anytime, dude, anytime.
Alright, you take it easy. Alright. Oh, she even vibrates really hard, especially when you put a load on her. Get her in here. Got these mirrors tilted a little higher. We're identical twins, but for some reason I think he got a few inches extra in his legs. Where I come from, we back everything in. So, you know, as far as the truck running like crap goes, you know, cylinder 8, I mean, do you pull a plug on cylinder 8 and, you know, check it out and whatnot? Yeah, you do. That's probably what I'm going to do. But am I just going to fix cylinder 8? You know, what the hell's the point, you know, just to get it running right and then get rid of it right quick? I mean, we ain't like that, you know. I'm going to get all that done, you know, and it's going to be like $50, you know, for a set of plugs and wires, at least. And that distributor cap, you know, is like $5 or something. I mean, it could be a crack in the distributor cap. It could be a bad plug wire, you know, that's getting rubbed up against something or melted or burnt somewhere, and sparks arcing out of the wire somewhere, stupid, you know. Someone didn't know how to run their damn wires, you know, and zip tied them all together and got them hanging in weird places. That's what happens a lot of times when it's done like that. But then they got plug, you know, could be bad, you know, and if you just replace one plug, I mean, what's the point, man? If it's one plug that goes bad, you know, how long is it going to be before all the other ones go bad, you know? I guess what you could do is pray about it, you know, pray to God to reveal to you what is wrong with your truck so that you can get all fixed up and running right for the next guy so that he gets blessed with a good truck. You know what I mean? I mean, that'd be cool with me. That's what I wouldn't mind doing that, you know. But, I mean, God's also made it to where the circumstances in your life have led up to the fact that I know how the hell to fix something, so go ahead and fix the damn thing if God's blessed you with that knowledge, you know what I mean? So do it, you know, and do it right, and don't try to screw people over, or that stuff gonna come back to you, man. That come back to you, especially all you bodywork guys out there that are working in shops, and especially the auto mechanics out there. I mean, you watch that stuff, man. I mean, you try screwing the customers over and tell them something wrong and ain't wrong, and cutting wires and, you know, cutting serpentine belts and telling them they need a serpentine belt, you know, and have them come back in the shop and showing them where it's all cut up and stuff. I mean, that stuff's gonna come back on you, man. So you gotta be honest, man. Your reputation is everything when it comes to auto. I mean, there's these shops that say you're just another number, and they can afford to be dishonest like that because it physically is a mathematical problem where they make more money by doing it that way and losing a few customers here and there due to them finding out they can get screwed over. You know what I mean? Well, there's my rant, you know, YouTube rant they call them, about the shops there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this all fixed up for Jeremy there. It's not a big deal. Just gonna do, you know, basic tune-up is what I think it is anyway. I mean, I don't think it'd be scorched pistons and all that other stuff, because it does run right sometimes. I mean, it was running really good when it got it. I mean, and then it would run like this for a little bit, and then it would stop for a little bit, you know. And, I mean, that just makes sense that it's a plug or a wire or just cracking a distributor cap or something. And it's been doing it really bad when it rained here this last couple of days. It ran like crap, he told me, you know, getting water up in there, you know. I bet you money, man, there's a crack or a bad seal on that distributor cap somewhere. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and tell him that's what that is or whatever, and see what he thinks. Sure as hell ain't getting much done on that door. He said he's going to be working on this door some more. And probably inside eating. But, well, yeah, man. If I don't talk to y'all anymore, I'm Rich, and signing out, man. So, alright, see you later. Oh, hey, what are you doing? Oh, hi, man. Alright, just got done watching Rich's video, so I think we'll go ahead and, like you said, just freaking do plugs, wires, and distributor cap. That's what I was kind of thinking anyway, but I'll just have him come and do that whenever he can or whatever. We'll probably do a video on that. I mean, that's part of flipping a vehicle, is making it run good and doing the tune-ups and the oil change and all that stuff. I mean, this thing needs an oil change. It needs this tune-up now. Alright, we're here at my favorite store. We loan specialty tools. Free electric testing. That's what we're going to do today. We have the Canon OBD2 and 1 tool. Okay, this is a 3120 LAT by Innova. I call it Innova, I don't know if that's right. But we're going to show you how to test your vehicle today. It's pretty simple. You just plug in the cord on the top. Just like plugging in a computer cord for all you geeks out there. Okay, and most people's, mine's located right underneath the dash here. Yeah, it's right here. So I don't know what the lighting is down there. I could turn the light on for you, I guess. So yeah, right in here. A lot of them are underneath the hood, whatever. You just gotta find where yours is and plug it in. I'm doing this blindly because I don't like crawling around on the floor anymore. Alright. It don't matter if it's running or not. I mean, you're supposed to leave it off, but I like to leave mine on because I know the check engine light's on right now, and if I shut it off, sometimes it doesn't work. So, to link, you turn the ignition on, which it already is on, and you press this button here. Okay, it's a little button with the 2 arrows going back and forth. PO203, injector circuit, open. Cylinder 3 injector circuits open. And you can tell right here how many codes it's got by the one on the bottom is how many codes it is. It's tripped, and this is which one you're on. Now if you got more than 1 code, this will be like a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or whatever, however many codes you have. And then to cycle through those codes, you just simply hit the blue DTC button here, and that'll take you through them. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. You can unplug it and take it inside and show them the code, and they can assist you with finding whatever part you need, sensor, whatever it is. And that's all there is to it. Don't take your vehicle down to the shop to have your engine light checked, okay? Or don't pay money for it anyway. They should do that stuff for free, okay? But a lot of times, you know, I like going here because I'm not at a shop where they can give me some bogus freaking sales pitch on how many sensors I think I should get done right now before my car blows up. So, thank you. 7 codes. 7 freaking codes. When I plugged the computer in, the first time the truck was running already. It was running. The check engine light was on. I wanted to plug it up just in case. You know, sometimes when you shut it off. Sometimes when you shut your car off and you turn it back on, the engine light, you know, isn't there anymore until you're driving down the road or whatever. So I like to sometimes just plug it right in and see what happens. So I plugged it in that way, and it threw a code PO203, which means the third injector circuit was open, was what the code said. So I looked at the injectors and make sure they were all plugged in and stuff. And then the truck was shut off when I did that. Then I jumped in and plugged the computer in like I'm supposed to, and it came up with 7 codes. All stuff that I've looked at and priced. I just priced all these sensors out the other day, thinking it could be any one of these sensors, and it's pretty much throwing a code for all of them. The map sensor, the IAC sensor, throttle body position sensor, freaking some O2 sensors. I mean, just threw 7 codes for everything, and then 3 of them were the injector circuits were opened on cylinder 2, 3, and 4. So like, I don't even know how the hell this thing is running right now.